we're diving into the full guide on how to enable comments notifications on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Opening the Snapchat app on your Android device is the first step to access the app and begin the process of enabling notifications for comments, allowing you to stay informed about interactions on your posts. Step 2. Tapping your avatar or profile picture at the top left of the screen directs you to your profile settings, where you can manage and personalize various aspects of your Snapchat account, including notification preferences. Step 3. Tapping the settings icon at the top right of the screen leads you to the settings menu, where you can adjust different app settings to suit your preferences, such as managing notifications. Step 4. Selecting notifications from the settings menu allows you to specify your preferences for receiving notifications on Snapchat, giving you control over which types of interactions you want to be notified about. Step 5. Marking the option for comments. Within the notification settings ensures that you receive notifications specifically for comments on your posts, helping you stay engaged with your audience and respond promptly to interactions. By following these steps, you can ensure you receive notifications for comments on Snapchat. Let's get started.